Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a nice cinnamon tea. Just a cup of water there. I'm gonna put a bit of cinnamon stick in it. Then I'm gonna add 2 bits of lemon. And then let it boil. As simple as you see in this cinnamon stick, what I find out is that it's full of antioxidant, which is good for the body. Even inflammation it takes from the body also. It's full of antibacterial properties, antifungal properties. So you can take this even before you go to bed in the night or in the morning. It's very healthy. It's good for diabetes, good for immune system. So please try this tea. Now it's morning now, so I'm just boiling this to drink on an empty tummy. Especially in the night. If you try this in the night, your body will love it. Research even shows that it's good for heart diseases also and support health. It's very good for your gut. So please try this at home. It even protects against cancer. With this also, I'm going to add a bit of the powder also in it. This is cinnamon powder. Now this is ready. I'm going to turn it off. This is what it looked like, guys. Nice, refreshing, hot. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm gonna enjoy this lovely tea. Peace be unto you all.